Frugal Fixer Spike here. I'm still working on this farm, guys. Y'all check it out. Today we made a little progress. I'm going to show you what I got done. I'm going to give you a quick little tour around so you can see what we've been working on. And got a little something done, but it rained on us. I had to go get material. Man, lumber is so dang expensive. Woo! You try treated lumber. You have to take out a mortgage. But anyway, let's look around. Y'all check it out. Okay. Progress we made on this farm we built in here, the Chinese greenhouse. So hey, y'all watch us see what's going on. Let's get it done. Hey, what you think? Let's see. Go fix that corner where the plastic's puckered over there. I'm gonna get the ladder up there to do that. Tuck it around the corner and staple it. You ever want to bust your ass, slip, fall down inside the ladder like this. My God. shape it with the wood is, okay, Steve? Let's go over to it. Let's see it? Let's go. Today, I got the rest of the beds tore out and the ground leveled out. I got ledger board run all the way down the wall up top that I was telling you about with that red arrow, and for my wall to pin down to. I got my wall covered in 6 mil black poly to seal it from the environment coming in the backside. And I got to do a little trim out around a door going underneath it and a few other things there. We got the cattle panels are sitting on top of the wall right here with a couple of screws right now. I got staples, but I'm gonna put another ledger board up, and then I'm gonna pin them to that, go all the way across with those cattle panels. I'm gonna overlap one square on them and tie them together with wire. So we get in this shape right here. I use my ladder right now to level that thing out, and then we're gonna come right down into the ground right here. Got a real pretty southern exposure, this beautiful open sky all the way back this guy. So I got all this beautiful southern sky right here. So yeah, it's getting dark on me out here. So let me show you what I got. I'm gonna basically just pin this thing to the ground with a couple of pins, put some 2x6 in down, treated, level everything out, hook the fence to there, hook it up to there, and then cover the whole thing with some double layer of plastic. So that's what we got. What else did I get done today? Oh, I got a drainage pipe run. Had that piece of Schedule 80 laying around in the shop up there, so I just brought it out. It goes under there where the swimming pool is, and so I can drain the swimming pool out without having to come through the greenhouse. I installed that frostproof hose bib today. Got that done. So that's all done, and down in the ground, got a big old pile of gravel in the bottom of it. Got it 18 inches in the ground, and it's all the way over there to that wall, ready to punch in that wall. So get that done tomorrow. So took a couple of days off on my little tile job, and I figured I'd work on this greenhouse and get all I could done. Had my orders caught up. Well, not really, but I had some of them caught up. Right now, they ain't no getting caught up, doesn't seem like, guys. So anyway, let me give you another view what's happening down that way. So it ends up, it's 32 feet by 11 feet and about 9 foot at the wall right there. So it's gonna work out pretty good. I think we're gonna like it, guys. So hey, check it out. Come back next time for another update. Spike here, remember this, I'm gonna get out here and work on this thing when I get a minute to do it, but there ain't no chance of me having to worry about letting nothing dry to dust it off around here, okay? So hey, thanks for joining me. Appreciate this, everybody coming by. If you would, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hey, we'll see you next time, and I'll get more progress made every time you see me. Let's go at it. Later.